Well, what do you know? There's no one at the Costco gas. We can just pull up and fill up because, as with every day, sponsored by...
Brought to you by Costco.
Brought to you by Costco Gas. Because when you want to get gassy, you want to get gassy in bulk.
This is the first time I've ever Costco'd and we haven't had to wait.
See, there's a first for everything.
Seen it.
So I'm finishing up pumping gas, throw out the garbage. I look up. Next thing you know, I run for the car.
And he's hugging random people at the Costco gas station. So that's not uncomfortable at all.
But it's not random people.
But it's not a random person, turns out. So
watch this.
Not only can you get, your gas in bulk when you want to feel gassy at Costco, but out of nowhere, you look out the window of the car and look who's here. The one, the only. Phil Meyer. I mean, it's only been, how many years since I've seen you last?
Will you stop by briefly in downtown San Antonio? We had a cocktail at the Gunter or the...
Oh, God, that was like...
5, 6 years, 4 years
We were
ago?
young then.
Yeah.
We were young.
We were young ones.
Called him last week. Had no idea we'd get together, and look what happened. So,
Exactly.
You never know what happens along the way.
Peace and love.
Go west, young man and woman. Young is the active word. Because today, we're heading where?
our final destination is Carlsbad, New Mexico.
Not close. Probably, 6.5 hours of driving.
Maybe there'll be a stop or two. We'll be spending the evening in Carlsbad, so I guess we're going to have to find somewhere to eat.
All right.
We do have a place to sleep already reserved.
Yes, on the right date. Sometimes I get the wrong dates.
So this date he did have correct.
On this date in history.
This date in history. What happened?
I don't know, but we have 6.5 hours on our hands. The beaver's taking control of the wheel. So, what have we learned on today's Eating Our Way Across America?
The brisket. Our favorite part of the cow is actually the chicken breast of cow because it comes right from the post neck part. Actually, I'm pretty fond of the chuck as well, which is the neck. And then the rest of the cow.
You don't like the rest of the cow?
That's all right. I mean, ribs are okay. Loins, sirloin. I like the cheap shit up by the neck.
I'm doing good. Have been working on songs all day, and now I'm just relaxing a little bit.
You got a beer?
Yes, I did. I do.
It was either that option or you're probably drinking some scotch. We might have purchased a trucker
We
hat.
might have acquired a hat for the collection.
Wow, that's great, man. Thank you guys so much.
A very distinctly Texas hat. So when people from America come across you, they're going to like, where did you get that hat? They've been writing. What are you writing about?
A lot. It's I'm working on a couple of songs right now, so gotta break it down to just one theme. Yeah.
Is it going to be along the lines of true stories, or is it going to be more of a
Different direction.
different direction?
Depends on the song. All my songs are like stuff I've been through and everything. So this kind of is with me all the time. But there's so many themes I'm writing about right now. So yeah.
What a day. What another long day. 6.5 hours of driving. But fun.
2 hours of stopping to move cameras around, 4.5 hours of driving.
There may have been production delays that could have occurred along the way.
Yeah.
But all right, we hope you enjoyed it. Long day. More adventure tomorrow. Nighty night.